Are you confused about where to start investing? Stocks, mutual funds, ETFs? What do they even mean? Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain them in simple terms so you can finally understand where to begin your investing journey. Welcome to Finance Solutions 360, your complete guide to money and investing. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for simple tips that will help you grow your wealth step by step. Let's start with stocks. A stock is simply a piece of ownership in a company. For example, if you buy one share of Apple, you own a small part of Apple. When the company grows and earns profit, your stock price usually increases. Stocks can give very high returns, but they are also risky because prices can go up and down every day. So, stocks are high risk, high reward. Now, let's talk about mutual funds. Think of mutual funds like a group project. Many investors pool their money together, and a professional fund manager invests it in different stocks, bonds, or assets. This makes mutual funds safer than buying individual stocks because your money is spread out. It's a great option for beginners who want steady, long term growth without worrying about daily stock movements. Next are ETFs, or exchange traded funds. ETFs are very similar to mutual funds because they also give you a basket of different investments. But there's one big difference. You can buy and sell ETFs on the stock market just like a normal stock. They are usually cheaper than mutual funds and very flexible. So, you get diversification like mutual funds, but the trading flexibility of stocks. So, let's quickly recap. Stocks mean direct ownership, but high risk. Mutual funds are managed by professionals, safer for beginners. ETFs are a balance, low cost, diversified, and flexible. If you're just starting out, mutual funds and ETFs are the easiest way to begin investing. Once you're comfortable, you can explore stocks for higher returns. I hope this video made investing clear for you. Which one do you want to start with? Stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Finance Solutions 360 for more easy to understand investing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.